We made it.
We're waiting for our car. You look at that.
Right there?
Yeah. It is 2 in the morning. I'm going to watch the last episode of A Million Little Things. Best show ever.
For all phases of play. Once we close the door, you don't meet those requirements or you don't want to perform those functions, let that know so we can fix it.
We're waiting for our rental car. It could be anything. Hopefully it's that one. We are at the pan. I got my metal straw.
She's dying.
We are here.
Pictures because we couldn't go back and look at it.
Anyways, we're here.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna show my dresses. Anyways, we're here for the wedding.
Jasmine's recording.
We're here for the wedding, and it's a Vietnamese wedding, or there's a tea ceremony that's Vietnamese, and we have to wear these tea dresses. They're all, you know, different colors. This one is mine. Yeah. Beautiful. That's Leah's. And my nannies. Nannies again. And then Trina. They have everyone's cute pictures up here.
Don't even say it.
And then you get to us. It's crazy. We're walking to the community pool.
I don't know which key it is.
Community pool. But community pool.
Hopefully you know, like community
Community. Community pool. We are at the community pool.
How do you get in here?
You just have to hold it.
So I'm just it's on?
Yeah.
Why is it upside down?
Oh, just if it does that, you just have to push this forward a little.
Okay. So I'm gonna go leave.
Okay, don't drop it.
Okay, I'm gonna drop it. Okay guys, so I just took Jasmine's camera to go to a room now. She's a really good cousin. Why don't you just go subscribe to her? I hope she posts this because like it's gonna oh no. What do? I forgot what to do. Oh my god. Love you, Jasmine Ling. Yeah?
actually not recording, are you?
No, it is actually recording.
Well, for real? Yo, what's up?
Vlog! Come here! Come here! Come here!
Don't drop it, please.
I'm not gonna. Okay, guys. No, don't steal it from me. So, this is Jasmine.
With me and my cousin.
Yeah, this is Jasmine. Yeah, I've already been on
my
Jasmine's
sister.
camera before, so.
And we're recording off my cousin's camera.
I've been her. I'm not in your intro, and I have a problem with that.
Oh, yeah.
Fix it. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. She let me. I'm showing her this. I'm showing her that. Oh, you have my hand.
Okay, guys, so right now we're walking.
Oh.
At this time of the hour, like, you just want to, like, take a bunch of pictures because, like, so. Yeah.
You want to watch our camp vlog?
I'm gonna have to watch it like later, you know. But thanks, I appreciate it. So that's it. We're here. We're awesome. We're just having the best
happy.
time.
It's so warm here now.
So warm here. So warm.
Bye.
Bye.
You have a death. Wait, who went the wrong way on that?
Me. Jasmine's just a perfect little angel.
Waking up on Sunset Boulevard.